Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing 1 to 3 specific worries. Write them on a single page so they exist outside your head. Once listed, set a strict 10-minute timer to think through each item, no more. Then pick one tiny, doable action you can take in the next hour and do it. This shifts energy from rumination to control. You'll notice clarity arrives when you externalize problems and force a quick, bounded reaction. It breaks the endless loop. You now learn to create distance. Ask 3 clear questions. Is it relevant, controllable, lasting? And let answers guide your emotional energy. Once done, use the 1 to 5 rule. Spend 1 minute acknowledging a thought, then 5 minutes on action or a realistic plan. Make a single 15-minute daily worry slot. Move any lingering concerns there. This trains your brain to postpone anxiety and treat most items as non-urgent, which reduces their power over your day-to-day. You finish by consolidating progress. Each evening note 3 small wins and 1 clear next step for any ongoing issue. This completes the loop and prevents overnight rumination. If the process stalls, pause, breathe, and reframe the thought for 3 cycles. Shift perspective from threat to task. Make a weekly reassessment and drop anything unchanged after 2 weeks. That troubleshooting tip, pause, breathe, reframe, resets urgency, and helps you move on when emotions hijack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.